Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Sorry, I'm just sitting here drinking my morning coffee, and I just got some crazy news that Lyft will be partnering with a company to offer free rides on Halloween. So if you're a driver, don't worry, you will still be paid for these rides. Basically, there's a company that's just paying for rides for passengers. And if you're a rider, this might be, you know, an opportunity to get some free transportation when you're going out. You get some free credits on Halloween night. So again, if you're a driver, don't worry. For Lyft or Uber, you will still be getting paid. And if you're a passenger, free rides, baby. So even drivers, you know, tell all your, why do they have to do construction? Like, I already have a headache. Okay, so anyways, my name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. What do you guys think of my jacket? Some people think I spent too much on it. It was $400 for this cashmere jacket. Okay, it's my only nice purchase that I have. Okay, I saved up driving Uber and I was like, you know what, I need a nice jacket. It's super comfy, guys, if you don't wear cashmere. Although, some people give me hate because they think, oh my gosh, that ugly thing. I like it, I don't know. I wear it like every single day. But anyways, guys, my name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. And what we do here is we talk about ways to make money as a driver, mostly as an Uber and a Lyft driver. I've started driving for whatever reason. People don't think I even drive because I make videos. But you know what? Usually I wouldn't do this, but I'm just gonna open up my app. I went out driving yesterday, okay? I drive pretty frequently. Let me see if I can go to my, yeah, I mean, right here, guys, look. I go out, look, I'm doing my rides, you know. I mostly, sorry, I don't drive full-time. I'm not a full-time driver, but I do drive mostly for the sake of this channel, so I can keep up to date with what's going on. And don't get me wrong, I do like the side cash, but I'm not a full-time driver, you know. And if you want to watch a driver on YouTube who drives 60 hours a week and pretty much lives in their car, by all means, go ahead. But for me, I like to free up my time. I like to actually, you know, like, I don't like to drive all day long. That's just not my thing. But I do drive here and there to make extra money, and also so I can, you know, give you guys. So, you know, I usually would not do this, but just to prove you guys, you know, yesterday, October 18th, what's today's date? October 19th. Okay, I went out yesterday, just did my rides, you know, like I said, I just go out usually for a couple hours, went out, and yeah, I do, some people are like, oh my gosh, he's doing driver referrals. Guys, if you are a driver for Uber and Lyft and you are not doing driver referrals, you are missing out on some easy cash. All you have to do is tell your friends and family to sign up for Uber or Lyft, and you get, if they use your code, you get some money. So yeah, look, easy 25 bucks yesterday. That pretty much doubled my earnings yesterday. So I went out and made 59 bucks, you know. Went out at 4, drove until 11:30 p.m. There's another driver referral there. Yes, I'm proud of that. Tuesday, another, you know. So like I said, guys, you can believe whoever you want, but I go out and do my rides. I don't care if you guys don't believe me, or if I actually heard one guy even say, he was like, he's having somebody else use his app. He doesn't even do his rides. Why would I do that? That's like totally illegal. And for that person too, using my app. Anyways, so I'm gonna get into the free ride. Sorry, I did get a little distracted. I'm gonna be making a video going over my earnings for this week though, because this is a really interesting week, and I'm just gonna show you guys how you can make some extra money if you don't have a lot of time like me. Well, I do have a lot of time, but I don't like spending all of my time driving. So, because there's some easier ways to drive a little bit and make more than, honestly, say I probably make, well, maybe not a full-time driver, but by simply driving 5-10 hours a week, you can make more than the typical driver who drives 20, 30 hours a week. I know it's crazy, but it's true. So, sorry, my camera's literally dying and I need to get a new battery. But let me know how you guys are doing this week. How much money you guys are making. Let's do the sharing our earnings channel now. All right. So I just got my batteries, I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna get into the article, okay? All right. Also guys, really quickly, if you have not yet downloaded the GetUpside app, GetUpside is a easy way to get money back on every single time you fill up gas. Yes, if you use my code, you can get 25 cents back per gallon, not even per fill up, but per gallon on your gas fill up. So I'm trying to open up my app here. I don't want to, I'm trying to hide my location so you guys can't see it. I've made $74 already, guys. Can you guys see that? I try not to show my location. 74 bucks. 15 cents gallon. 15 cents, sorry. Give a friend 15 cents back per gallon. Okay, I guess they lowered it from 25 cents. But as you can see, I don't want to show you guys exactly my location, just because there's some weirdo stalkers out there who watch my videos. But yeah, sorry, I can't show you my location. But basically, you know what? Let me zoom in so far that you can't figure out where I'm at. There you go. Okay, so here we go here, guys. Look, I have this. I get $13.97 per gallon cash back. Yes, per gallon, not per fill up, but $13.97 back. So that's almost $14 back per gallon. And I need to figure out how I'm gonna get all my friends together, because you can do up to 50 gallons. So that's what is it, 13.97 times 50 gallons. Next time I go to fill up gas, I might even go around and just ask people if whoever wants free gas, because I need to rack up 50 gallons. And I will get $700 back. So yeah, I do need to spend the 50 gallons of gas, but I'll get 700 back. So whatever that profit is, I think it's like 500 bucks or something. By 550, whatever the price of the gas of the gallon is. But anyways, guys, here we have it. Free Lyft rides available in DC, Virginia for Halloween. Sober Ride will be available from 10 p.m. on Saturday, October, so it's not on Halloween night, it's Halloween, the weekend right before Halloween. October 26th on 4 a.m. because let's face it, you know, people are not going to be going out on Wednesday or Thursday as much as Saturday, October 26th to Sunday. Oh, that looks like the guy from, what's his name? From Gossip Girl. Do you guys watch Gossip Girl? It's one of my favorite shows. Gossip Girl. Dan Humphrey. Just hear me out really quick. Don't click off. This is important, guys. Dan Humphrey. Doesn't this guy, let's get a good one. Doesn't this guy look like that guy? Literally, it's him. That's him. Doesn't that look like him? Just saying. Anyways, on with the video. Believe it or not, Halloween is around the corner. Believe it or not, guys, Halloween is around the corner. I honestly didn't believe it, but thanks to these guys, now I'm convinced. And if you plan on celebrating with some alky, don't get behind the wheel. Instead, arrange for DD, taxi, or ride-sharing service to get you home. The nonprofit org, Washington Regional Alcohol Program, RAP, ooh, I like that acronym, will again partner with Lyft the pot again, so maybe this is their second time doing it, or even third time, maybe even more, to provide a sober ride to parts of DC and Virginia. So if you're in DC or Virginia, look this up. Maybe you can get a free ride. Last year, 387 people in Washington used RAP's Halloween sober ride rather than possibly driving home impaired. The charity also supports its sober ride program on St. Patty's, Cinco de Mayo, Independence Day, and winter holidays. RAP's in the statement. Rides will be available from 10 p.m. on Saturday, October 26th, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go, which includes Arlington. So guys, here we go. If you're in this area, Arlington, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William counties in Virginia, plus the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Manassas, and Manassas Park, Washington, D.C., and all parts of Montgomery and Prince George's counties in Maryland. Residents 21 and older can enter the Sober Ride promo code in the Lyft app to receive a $15 credit. Boom! Mic drop, 15 bucks in your bank account, in your Lyft Ride app. Boom, boom. It'll be posted at 9 p.m. on Saturday. Okay, so guys, you got to go to this. I just want to promote this company, soberride.com, Wrap. Guys, I love promoting. You know, 20,000 subscribers. What can I do? I got to promote some good quality companies that are helping out with people driving safely or transportating safely, riding safely. Lyft is proud of the role of ride sharing has played in reducing impaired driving across the nation. Here in DC, partnering blah blah blah. Basically, what they're saying is that Lyft and Uber, guys, is if you're a driver for Uber and Lyft, you are helping save lives, because before people would just drive drunk and now they're ordering Uber and Lyft and it's saving countless lives. So yes, there is pure data on that. I know I said that in one video before and somebody was like, no, that's not true, you're just making stuff up. It's true, guys. Lyft and Uber is huge in helping save people's lives for drunk driving. So anyways, guys, check out that link, soberride.com, to see if you qualify for your free ride on Halloween night if you're in the Washington, D.C. or Maryland area. And I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, by 2020, so help me do that. All right, later, guys. Peace.